What comes to mind when you think of a sea? Sure, you think about tourism, spending long hours on the beach sunbathing, cruising along the great blue environment. In any case, the sea environment has been a great source of economic prosperity for the coastal countries of Europe. We have the Mediterranean, the Atlantic, the North Sea, the Norwegian Sea, or the Baltic among them. In all of them, the use of ports and the exploitation of marine resources has been of great economic benefit to these countries. But are we really aware of all the possibilities that the sea can offer us? Yeah, that's what I mean. Hey, you! Yes, you. That's not garbage. Do you know how many things can be made out of marine biomass? Marine biomass can be used for food, animal feed, health, well-being. And oh yeah, that's a great example too. Bioplastics production. Does it seem like a crazy idea to you? Well, crazy or not, it's definitely not a bad idea, considering that in recent years, the accumulation of plastics in the environment has increased dramatically. Let's see where the problem begins. Look at your supermarket trolley. It's almost all plastic. And when you throw all this plastic packaging in the rubbish bin, do you know where they end up? Some of it goes to landfill, but it can also end up in the oceans, where it accumulates over many years, giving rise, for example, to what are known as plastic islands, the largest of which covers an area of 1.6 million square kilometers, which is, by the way, 3 times the size of France. So what could we do to stop harming the planet? We could replace conventional petroleum-based plastics with materials obtained from natural resources, which are able to degrade and decompose after use. These new materials are known as biopolymers. And remember the seaweeds that used to bother you so much on the beach? They are a great source of biopolymers. This is because they contain many interesting compounds that are generally used in the food industry. But you know, we can also use these compounds to develop bioplastics, easily degradable. And now that we have learned a bit more about the tremendous potential of the sea, what do we need to take all these great ideas and make them a reality? We need to advance in science, fueled by financing basic scientific knowledge. So enjoy your day at the beach. And remember that we can indeed benefit from the many different marine resources, but we need to do so in a responsible and sustainable way.